Hello everyone, welcome to Car Spotter Belgium. I'm Thibaut and today we have the key of the Volkswagen Amarok. The new Amarok comes with two engines, a 2-liter TDI with 205 horsepower and the one we have here, and he already betrays his own because of the V6 logo here, which means that this is the 3-liter V6 which produces 240 horsepower and 600 Newton meters of torque. It comes with two packages, a style package and a Adventura or adventure package. This one is the style and that can be seen to the rear light units. This one just has the standard light units and the adventure has some sleeker LED lights. The Adventure also got a different layout of the front bumper, a more X design as they call it. This one has 18-inch alloy wheels which are called Amadora, and the Adventure package gets 21-inch alloy rims with also road tires. These are 255 and the 21-inch wheels get a wider tire of 275. This one will have some standard suspension. The Adventure should have an upgraded comfort suspension. So enough comparisons between those two packages. There are probably more things that the Adventure package gets over this style package, but those are the most remarkable things about the exterior. Our Amarok is painted in midnight black metallic or just black. It also got some 4 motion stickers on the side. This one has the hardtop, which gives it a limited loading in the height, but some more security for the stuff you put inside here. We got a loading space of 1.65 m by 1.58 m. Of course, it goes a little narrower at the wheel arches, but it is still possible to load a Euro pallet in the back. And it is just really nice that you can sit on this lid here, and I guess these are some cup holders, and it is just relaxing to sit here. We got this attached tow bar here, and the Amarok V6 is allowed to pull 3.5 tons. Let us take a look at the interior. We find a combination of some leather and fabric on the seats, which is very nice. Also, these wooden structure panels, which I guess is just a sort of print on some plastic, and also the same design here on the dashboard. You can't go wrong in the interior choice because there is only one available option, which is called Ebony Black Grey Moonrock. That's the name of this interior. At the center we find a 12-inch vertical display which looks a bit like a tablet. It works really well, so when we push the home button here, we see that it has Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, which works really well. You do need, of course, to connect your phone with a USB cable, but it does work really well. The only minor thing about this Amarok and about the infotainment screen is that the climatization goes by the screen, so you don't got physical buttons here to change the temperature or anything, so you always need to push this button here, and then you can change the ventilation and your temperature at the screen. We got this classic looking Volkswagen steering wheel with on the left some cruise control, adaptive cruise control, lane assist, some other things, and this is about the volume. At the other side we got the voice recognition for the infotainment screen. This is also for the radio, and this is about the screen behind the steering wheel, so when you push it you change the menu. We of course still have the classic looking displays or the chronos, and it is really nice. You can see the Amarok on here, and there are some options here to choose from. We still have these handles in the cabin, so they are everywhere at each corner. And these are, of course, for when you are about to drive this Amarok really crazy. We got a USB-C and normal USB port. We also got a 12-volt one here. And then we have a wireless charging pad to recharge your phone. Behind that we got the gear changer, and this one is also possible to change manually due to the buttons on the side. And this Amarok got a 10-speed automatic. Then we have the parking brake and this turning knob here. This is of course to change from 2-wheel drive to 4-wheel drive. So we got 2H, which is 2-wheel drive. We got 4A, which is of course 4-wheel drive automatic. And it is also possible to drive in these two modes on roads. So the 2-wheel is probably the most used driving mode, so that's only rear-wheel drive for dry roads. Then we got 4A, that is 4-wheel drive, and you will probably use this one when you are driving in snow. And then we have 4H and 4L, which is high and low. In these two modes, the front axle and rear axle are locked, so you can't use these on dry roads because you will probably damage the car. And in the low mode you get additional gearing to get more torque. Behind this knob we got traction control off button, a button for probably going downhill, and then you got also a button to lock the rear differential. We got two cup holders and a armrest with a little storage compartment. This is the door handle to open the door. Sitting in the back, I got enough leg room. Of course, it isn't so much, but you are sitting comfortable in here. You got some storage compartments here, also down here, and of course headroom is no problem in a pickup of this size. Then we also got an armrest here, and I haven't figured out yet how to open this because it looks like it is locked inside there, and I also don't want to damage it, so I leave it where it is. It is also possible to lay down the rear seat by pulling this latch here, and then you can lay down the rear seat. So let me take you for a drive now in the Amarok V6. It shifts very smoothly, it has a 10-speed automatic, and of course it is made to pull a trailer, and you feel that it just wants that. So it is just made to pull heavy things, and that's of course the reason why it has a 10-speed automatic, just to keep the engine at its most optimal RPM range, that it gets the most torque out of it. So it is not really quick or anything, it is just made to pull stuff. But it drives very comfortable. Of course, when you floor it, it will... yeah, it pulls, even without a trailer. But it drives really comfortable. And even the sound, it is not bad. So just take a listen at this 3-liter diesel V6. Yeah, that is not bad. I really love the sound of it. Yeah, it is a really strong engine. We are currently at 12 liters, and of course I just did an acceleration run here, but I need to say I haven't done it 3 times in the whole week. And we are currently at 12 liters. I haven't driven it so hard, I need to be honest. And we are at an average of 12 liters. But of course this is a quite heavy car, quite big, and This is just the average number I have. Of course, I guess some people will get it even lower, so I think it will be between 10 and 14 liters maybe. So that's the average consumption I think it will get between. So this is where the Amarok belongs, off-road. We of course have road tires and it is a little bit wet here. So I really love this part of the video because I'm just going to drive through this water. Okay, this is so much fun. And it is really comfortable. So of course it is a pickup and it is meant to go off-road. So we are going to take a look at the car itself, what I have done. Yeah, I really enjoy this. Well, not that bad. A splashing end. So thank you very much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a like, and if you want to see more car content in the future, make sure to check out my channel, and I hope to see you next time again. Bye.